Let's talk about smart budgies. This is Lou, and Lou's very, very, very jealous of Sunny. And Sunny and Lou are sitting on this lovely, what is this, bamboo perch. Hey, Sunny, Sunny. And this is what Lou's doing. He is making it so that the perch falls, and Sunny falls with it. Isn't he? It's almost all the way around, all the way through, and it's gonna break any second. You bad little bird. You're so smart. You're too smart. Aren't ya? How did that happen? Smart budgie. Poor Sunny. You're about to fall. Here. So step up. Okay, you're gonna fall. Step up. I know you don't want to, but I don't trust the frickin' bird. There you go. What a bird. Real fun with that. Lucifer. Look at that, eh? This little perch I made for Sunny. And Lou says, no way.